How to prepare for the new school year. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing tips to help you start the school year on the right foot. From organizing your supplies to prepping healthy meals and managing your time effectively, we've got you covered. First, remember that school preparation involves more than just buying supplies and organizing your schedule. It's also about setting up a motivating study space, staying healthy, and managing your time efficiently. Let's start. Aesthetic study space cleaning. Start with a clean and organized study space. Declutter regularly to keep your desk free of unnecessary items. Aesthetic decor. Use aesthetically pleasing storage bins and boxes to keep your supplies tidy. Choose matching accessories like pen holders and trays. Add a touch of greenery with small plants and create a cozy atmosphere with fairy lights or a stylish desk lamp. School supply organization. Choose school supplies that match your aesthetic. Look for notebooks, pens, binders, and folder in your chosen color scheme. Personalize your notebooks and binders with stickers, washi tape, or custom covers. Use a color-coded system for easy identification. Personalize your supplies with custom labels. Whether you create your own or purchase stylish ones, they'll keep everything organized and add a visually appealing touch. Organize your backpack with multiple compartments and small pouches for electronics, stationery, and personal care items. Healthy meal prep. Plan your meals for the week, ensuring a balance of proteins, carbs, and vegetables. Use portion containers to control serving sizes. Make your meals visually appealing with bento boxes and incorporate a variety of colorful vegetables and proteins. Pack healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, yogurt, and veggie sticks in cute containers. Stay hydrated with a stylish, reusable water bottle. Prep in advance by batch cooking and freezing portions for easy, healthy meals on busy days. Time management. Use a digital planner with an aesthetic design that you love. Customize it with digital stickers and colorful fonts to make planning enjoyable. Sync your digital calendar with your school schedule to stay on top of assignments and activities. Establish a consistent daily routine and create to-do lists prioritizing tasks by importance and deadline. Enhance productivity with the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. Don't forget to schedule regular breaks to avoid burnout. Make time for hobbies and relaxation to maintain a healthy balance between school and personal life. Wardrobe refresh. Refresh your wardrobe to start the school year with confidence. Go through your clothes and donate items you no longer wear. Organize your wardrobe by category and color for easy outfit planning. Invest in a few key pieces that you love and can mix and match. Don't forget to add accessories to complete your look. Scarves, jewelry, and stylish bags can make a big difference. By following these steps, you will be well prepared, organized, and ready to tackle the new school year with confidence and enthusiasm.